Okay, I'm back in the shop this morning, and let's look at the contour lines again. In the last video I was saying that hold on, get the light, get a better light. So my lights were off in the shop yesterday when I made that video. It was kind of, so I think it was kind of hard to see, but I think you can see the lines better now. These are the contour lines. I've done a little bit of scraping in this area to lower the height, the arch height a little bit in that area. So it's better than it was. I was saying that the arch was a little too full in this area for the F-holes, and so today I'm going to lay out and draw the F-holes on each side and take a look at them from the side. I made these arch templates from a Stradivarius violin, so it should be close to being right. I shouldn't have to make much adjustment in this area. So I'm going to lay out the F-holes and we'll take a look at that. So I'll be right back with the measurements. Okay, I'm back, and we're going to measure the bridge position, which is 195 millimeters from the top edge of the plate. So there's the 195 millimeter mark. And so I'm just going to draw a line straight across. On each side of this line, I'm going to measure 21 millimeters, and the F-hole eyes are going to be 42 millimeters apart. So half of that is, I'm going to measure 21 millimeters each side of the center line. I've set my compass at 21 millimeters, and that'll just make it easier to make versus using a ruler. And I'm going to make the same measurements about a couple of centimeters up from there. So right about here. And now I'll just draw a straight line between those 2 points. As the dog barks. I have a dog that likes to bark at everything that moves. There he goes. So those two, that 42 millimeters, or 21 on each side, that marks the where the edge of the F-hole eye will go, and that way on each side, and that way that gives me 42 millimeters between the two between the eyes of the two F-holes. Okay, I've moved the camera around, and I'll try to get a better view for you. The lower eyes of the F-hole will be 108 millimeters apart. So I've set my compass at half that, which is 54. And again, I'll come down a couple of centimeters and make a second mark. I need a flexible straight edge, so I'll use this plastic. Okay, using those lines as a guide, I should be able to position the F-hole so that, oh, there's one thing I almost forgot. So draw a line horizontal just below the purfling, the C-bout purfling here. That will mark the lower edge of the F-hole. There are other ways of laying out F-holes, but this is a fairly simple way of doing it. So now that I have those lines marked out, so the inner edge of the eye of the upper eye will line up with this line. The inner edge of the lower eye will line up with this line. The F-hole notch should line up with the bridge line, and the upper part of the lower eye will line up with the line that goes between the two purflings. So I have the upper eye lined up with this line at 21 millimeters from the center line. The F-hole notch lines up with the bridge line. This edge of the lower eye matches up with this 54 millimeter line, 54 from the center, which puts it 108 all the way across to the other F-hole. This line, the F-hole eye line, this line lines up pretty much close to the purfling line, which is about where it should be. And the eye is not quite to the line, but that doesn't matter as long as it's close. So that's the basic layout of the F-hole. And from side view, see if I can keep it in focus. You can see how it kind of slants upward from here upwards towards the bottom. I would like it to be a little more horizontal, so I'm going to probably reduce the arch in this area to bring this area down a little bit.